morning, my dear friends. Usually, what is happening with us whenever we are taking any sort of initiative to do anything in this world, we have a fear of people. We have this sort of approach. That what the people will say if we will not get any sort of success. It may be if we will have to face any sort of failure as well. Here, I would like to tell you people that please, our life should not be, controlled and dominated by other people. We have our own life, and it should be led by our own self. But what is happening with us? We are because we are a social animal. We are living in a society. We are living among our relations as well. This is a reason we have some sort of psychological impact. Here, I would like to tell you people that be confident and try to perform in a better way. Usually, what is happening, that. A man is not so hurt and disturbed by what has happened with his own opinion, what has happened with him as well. So please try to separate your opinion from facts. Whenever the people are, for example, talking about you, let them speak, because they have their own knowledge, they have their own background, they have their own experience as well, and sometimes, not most of the time, the people are ready to criticize you. Here, there is a consensus as well that most of the people have any sort of concern about your prosperity and progress and working as well. Most of the people are quite happy if you are facing any sort of failure and difficulties in your life. So please damn care about these sort of people. Whatever they are doing in their life, let them do, let them talk as well. Here, we have a natural system of thermostat in our body. You know that because a maintained temperature everyone is carrying. Everybody having a maintained temperature, body temperature of 98.6 degree. How it is maintained, whether the outer is 50 degrees, a hot temperature in a summer season, for example, in a cool minus 118, having the same temperature, body temperature maintained by a controlled thermostat system. It is by nature. So we should be in a same way, that in a thermostat so that we thermostat having the capability and capacity to control the changes of environment and try to make and maintain predefined strategy and planning of that environment as well. You know that. But beside it, we have another system, and it is called thermometer, which is all the time stuck at one place and controlled by other people as well. When thermostat has this capability to control the environment, when thermometer is controlled by other people. Here, I would request to everyone that please, we should not be controlled by other people, should not be dominated by other people as well. We have our own system, we have our own life, and we should lead our life with our own emotion and feelings and our own experience as well. Let the people talk about you. Don't worry. Try to maintain your moderate, your cool system of your body, same like you have already. There is no need to make it. There is no need to generate this sort of system. It is already fixed by the nature. By birth, you have this sort of system. You just need to activate this system. You need to make yourself cool and calm by a method over there. Always try to make a delay response. No need to make any sort of haste to give any sort of response and expression as well. Control your body, control your action, and control your feelings as well. Here, if for example anyone would say something wrong about you, disturb you, for example, criticize you, don't worry, and please try to get all of these expressions given by the people positively, and try to prove yourself. Try to get more knowledge and then prove yourself with all devotion, your extraordinary hard work, and your willpower and mind power as well. And I'm sure that you will be able to perform tremendously in your future. Here is just one thing. Try to control yourself, control your body, control your expressions, your feelings, your future, your present by your own self. It should not be controlled by other people. And you have a very good system in your body, and I'm sure that you will be able by this video to activate your thermostat predefined system, which is already you are carrying in your body. And I hope that you will be able to keep your mind calm and cool in every situation, before every person as well, and you will be able to handle your circumstances, and you will be able to control people and conditions and circumstances of your life as well, and you will be remarkable, successful person in your future as well. Thank you.